Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, we have to follow the footprints of the Goswamis, how to search out Krishna and Radharani, Vrindavan, or within your heart. That is the process of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's bhajan. Feeling of separation, Vipralamba Seva. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, feeling the separation of Krishna, he was falling down on the sea. He was coming out of his rest room, his bedroom, and going out at dead of night. Nobody knew where he has gone. So that was his searching. This process of devotional service is taught by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Not that very easily we have seen Krishna or seen Radharani and Rasa Leela. No, not like that. Feel the separation. The more you feel separation from Krishna, you should understand that you are advancing. Don't try to see Krishna artificially. Be advanced in separation feeling, and then it will be perfect. That is the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. Because with our material eyes, we cannot see Krishna. Atas Sri Krishna namadi nabhavid grahyam indriyai. With our material senses, we cannot see Krishna. We cannot hear about Krishna's name. But, sevan mohi mukhe jivbhado. When you engage yourself in the service of the Lord, where the service begins, jivbhado, the service begins from the tongue, not from the legs, eyes or ears. It begins from the tongue. Sevan mukhe jivbhado. If you begin service through your tongue, how? Chant Hare Krishna. Use your tongue. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram. And take Krishna Prasadam. The tongue has got two business. To articulate sound, Hare Krishna, and take Prasadam. By this process, you realize Krishna. Don't try to see Krishna. You cannot see Krishna with your material eyes. Neither you can hear about him with your material ears. Neither you can touch. But if you engage your tongue in the service of the Lord, then He will reveal Himself to you. Here I am. That is what. So feel separation of Krishna, just like Radharani, as Lord Chaitanya teaches us, and engage your tongue in the service of the Lord. Then one day, when you are mature, you will see Krishna eye to eye. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare